So my guys, the way I was telling you, sometimes when you want to cut cost, you can look at some few things. Yes, I think that's a bit better. You can look at some few things where you can do the cutting the cost. One of them being that you can as well use avoid handles. So avoiding handles, you can use two ways. You can use push to open, or you can use just when making the handles, you just give a provision here. So a provision meaning that you will take the measurement of the cabinet you are working with. So the length you will put it longer with the 20 millimeter. So with the 20 millimeter, it will remain like this one you're seeing here. This one you're seeing, you see this one. So this one is where when you want to open, you'll just handle here and open. So that's another way of cutting the cost. Also, the one I'm telling you, let me see if I can show you the push to open. Yeah, push to open, we have this kind of an item here. So this one we are also going to use them in some handles, in some cabinets, just to avoid the handles. Avoiding the handle meaning we are reducing the cost for at least so that the clients can't use a lot of money. So for example here, when we were doing this budget, we realized that if we avoid those ones, if we avoid the handles, we were to save around 50,000. So just look at that. 50,000 is a lot of money. You can pay for you can use this to pay maybe labor or buy some materials. So a lot of them I've explained. There's a video to explain how to avoid those ones. You can also do cut cost on when doing the tilings, when doing the paint, when doing a lot of things. There's all areas you can do that without compromising the quality of the work, and also not compromising the material you are going to use. So there's a difference between cutting cost and also difference between cutting cost and cutting the shortcuts. So don't cut the shortcut, but cut cost. So I've given you a challenge. Those are the few areas that you can do. So welcome to the end of this video. So just make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and for giving this channel a support. And share this, like, comment, give me your thoughts. We are in the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we are eradicating what? Eradicating bad habit of how can I say it? We are eradicating the poverty or the lack of the better houses. So you can do the small house, you can do the big house at an affordable budget, and also making sure that you get what you wanted. So until then, see you in the next one.